Welcome, here I've got Meizu M6T and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the last position we have the photo size option, so let's pick it. And now we can manage the quality of the picture connected with size and aspect ratio of the rear camera and also the front camera. So this is how it looks like here. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, which is 12 megapixels to the rear camera and 8 megapixels to the front camera. Now let me focus on aspect ratio, because this is the difference we can see now by our eyes. So we are in 4:3 ratio, let's pick 16:9, and let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works here. Another tap to the right corner to the photo size, and we can pick also 18:9 aspect ratio. And in the camera preview now, we can see that this is the full camera frame. So this is how it works here. And of course, when we tap to the right corner and to the photo size once again, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. So to remind you, this is how it looks like. So this is the shorter one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.